In order to turn on dark mode in Windows 10, all you have to do is go to the Start menu, click on Settings, click on Personalization. On the left side, click Colors, and at the bottom you can see the two options. You can set light or dark mode. If you click dark, the whole window will turn to dark, and this dark theme is affected in all Windows apps, including the Explorer. Now, this dark mode is only available in Windows version 18.09 and above. So, to check that, go to the search and type WinVer and run the command. Then you can see the version of your currently installed Windows.